Hello good people, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 ways machine learning must evolve in a difficult 2023. After 2022, it's important to assess how machine learning has changed as a field, a technology, and an industry. Companies are looking for ways to maximize growing investments and secure value, particularly in the face of a difficult macroeconomic environment, as spending on AI and ML is likely to increase. Here are 5 ML trends to expect in 2023. 1. Automating ML workflows will become more essential. Although many leading technology companies announced layoffs in the second half of 2022, it's unlikely that any of these businesses will firing their top ML employees. But businesses will need to rely even more on automation to fill the hole left by fewer individuals on highly technical teams in order to maintain productivity and guarantee project completion. Additionally, we anticipate that businesses using ML technology will put more tools in place to oversee performance and make more data-driven management choices for ML or data science teams. Technical teams will need to be more KPI-centric with clearly defined goals so that leadership can comprehend the ROI of ML more thoroughly. The days of vague ML benchmarks are over. 2. Hoarding ML talent is over. In contrast to the more long-term workers that have worked with ML for years, recent layoffs, particularly for those working with ML, are probably the result of the most recent recruits. Given the oversupply in larger organizations, it is not surprising from this angle to see so many ML workers getting put off. Nonetheless, when the period of ML talent hoarding comes to an end, it can bring forth a fresh surge of innovation and opportunity. 3. ML project prioritization will focus on revenue and business value. Given the recent cutbacks, teams working on ML projects will need to be much more efficient and turn to automation to advance initiatives. In order to guarantee that projects are successfully finished, other teams will need to establish more structure and set deadlines. In order for smaller teams to function as a single cohesive entity, various business divisions will need to start communicating more, enhancing teamwork, and exchanging knowledge. Teams will also need to prioritize the projects they should work on to have the biggest impact in the shortest amount of time. I categorize ML initiatives into 2 categories: revenue optimization projects, which directly affect revenue, and sellable features, which leadership believes will boost sales and provide the company an advantage over the competition. Sellable feature developments will probably be delayed because they are challenging to release quickly. Instead, given that it can generate actual revenue, smaller ML teams will concentrate more on revenue optimization. Performance is crucial right now for all business units, and ML is an exception. 4. Open source ML tools will gain a greater market share. It is obvious that ML ops teams that concentrate on ML operations, management, and governance will have to work harder with less resources in the upcoming year. Because they are easier to make, take less time to study, and can be tailored to meet most demands, companies will use off-the-shelf solutions more frequently. In addition, ML ops teams will need to think about using open-source infrastructure rather than signing long-term agreements with cloud providers. While integrating with their cloud providers can undoubtedly be advantageous for hyperscale firms adopting machine learning, doing so forces these organizations to operate in the provider's preferred manner. You might not be able to do what you want or how you want at the end of the day, and I can't think of anyone who truly enjoys that situation. 5. Unified offerings will be key. The abundance of point solutions is one of the things slowing down ML ops adoption. They may not operate well together and cause gaps in a process, but that does not imply that they do not function. I am convinced that 2023 will be the year when the industry transitions to unified, end-to-end platforms made up of modules that may be utilized alone as well as smoothly interface with one another. The platform architecture described here provides the agile experience that today's professionals demand thanks to the flexibility of its separate components. It's quicker than creating your own infrastructure from start and simpler than buying point goods and putting them together. The ML category is set for more adjustment in 2023, which could be difficult. It will become more intelligent and effective. Expect to see the aforementioned themes take center stage and affect the trajectory of the industry in the coming year as firms discuss austerity. That's all we have. Thanks for watching this video. If you love this video, please like the video and comment your thoughts, and hit the subscribe button to watch more like this video. Thank you.